Dictation will be started in few seconds. Be ready. Start. I am coming here today from Bihar, where I performed or helped in the opening ceremony of a very magnificent piece of work of Indian engineers, the Great Dam. This, I am told, is the longest in the world. A day before that, I performed or participated in a completely different function at Nalanda, a great university center of 1500 years ago in Magad, which is now Bihar. At this place where the ruins of the university still exist, my mind went back to the days of the Buddha. I thought of his message, which, apart from its religious significance, was a message of tolerance, a message against superstition, rituals, and dogma. It was a message essentially in the scientific spirit. The Buddha asked no man to believe anything except what could be proved by experiment and trial. All he wanted men to do was to seek the truth and not accept anything on the word of another, even though it be of the Buddha himself. That seems to me the essence of his message, besides tolerance and compassion, and it struck me that the message, far from being out of date today, had a peculiar significance in this world of ours. Para. The spirit of dogma, I say with respect, has affected badly the religious quest and made both minds and practices conform too rigid and intolerant ideas which assert in effect that I am in possession of the truth, the whole truth, every bit of the truth, and nobody outside the pale has it. Narrow men's minds, shutting the door against a tolerant and objective approach, where men not only look up at the heavens without fear, but are also prepared to look down into the pit of hell without fear. It seems to me that people in the Buddha's time were more advanced in tolerance and compassion than we are, although they were not so advanced in technology and science. While I was there, it struck me that quite apart from religious issues, there might be something worthwhile in the traditional view of life, because it is tolerant view of life. While it may hold one opinion, it respects the opinion of the others and allows that there may be truth in the others' opinions too. It looks at the universe and mysteries of the universe and tries to find them in a spirit of humility. That is their approach to their religion. Thanks for watching.